Hello folks, today I'm going to show you a video for a 2017 Forest River Cherokee 235B. B stands for bunks. It's a very short fifth wheel, lightweight, with a huge slide which makes all the difference. Look how wide that slide is. It's a lot of room inside. This is gel coat exterior, not just fiberglass. Look, you can see me in it. That's how glossy that is. Go around. This is a big slide. It has the couch and the dinette in it. A lot of square footage there, folks. A lot of square footage. The back has a rack that folds down for coolers, bicycles, what have you. It's camera ready. All you got to do is buy the camera and put it in. Bunk windows. There's a decent storage compartment here. Yes, sorry, the sun's reflection. I have outside speakers, outside TV mount. I have alloy wheels, 3 steps, power awning. I'm gonna go in now. Hopefully the sun, there we go. Not bad. See how big that slide is? It's huge. That slide is very big. This sofa has a very nice feature, which is this makes it into a bed, of course. It's a very nice seating area as well. The dinette, huge. Makes it into a full-size bed with big drawers underneath. 42 inches. There we go. This is looking from the back towards the bedroom. Here's the kitchen. Ball bearing glides drawers. Look at that. Not plastic. No edge to peel out. Undermount sink. Easy to clean. Just wipe the stuff inside. One piece. Of course, microwave. Lots of cabinets. Take a good look. See how that is tongue and groove? That's not stapled. This is real wood. This is the upper bunk. And the lower bunk. Bathroom. Foot flush toilet. Very nice shower. Good sink. A lot of shelves here. More, and a fantastic fan up here. It's a pretty good feature. Skylight. If we go here, you will see this is the DVD player with Bluetooth, so you can stream your music. Good storage. Charge your cell phone. I have cabinets on top. Cabinet here by the door. Bedroom, pretty decent size for what this is, of course. Walk around bed, no problem. All LED lights. Big pantry, closet, and I'm just lifting the bed. Here we go, with shocks, stays in place. And this is a hypoallergenic mattress, one of the very nice ones, not the ones with the springs that stick in your back. Take a good look at this. Short, nice, light, fifth wheel. Bunk model, sleeps 8. Come back and see us, please. Just click on the video. Thank you.